Hi guys, thanks for purchasing the LifeTime Kit. In this, you'll get a more detailed walkthrough demo for the LifeTime Kit AI Image Generator tool. After your successful registration, log into the account using your login credentials on the login page. It will load up the dashboard, which will look like this. In this dashboard, you'll be able to see the AI tools in the left menu panel. There will be tools like AI Image Generator, Image Editor, and the Prompt Generator. When you click on the AI Image Generator option, you'll see two different methods for generating an image. One is using the text-to-image option, and the other is the image-to-image option. In the text-to-image option, you can create an image using a text prompt. After entering the prompt, it will generate the image within a few seconds according to the prompt given. You can click the Generate Image button as many times as needed until you get the perfect image. And now the image-to-image option. With this method, you can simply upload an image and type the prompt for what you want to do with that image. Now I'm entering the prompt as, convert the given image into a Ghibli image art. It will convert it into a trending Ghibli-style image within a few seconds. For getting a perfect prompt, you can use the third option, which is named Prompt Generator. Using this, you can generate a prompt you need for an image. After it generates a prompt, just copy and paste it into the image prompt section to get an image. Now the remaining tool is the image editor. With this option, you can easily edit your generated images by adjusting brightness, contrast, and using some cool filters and effects like vignette, blur, etc. Yeah, that's the detailed demo walkthrough of the tool LifeTime AI Image Generator. If you have any doubts or queries other than these, feel free to contact our support team anytime. Thank you.